Hi, so in this video, we will discuss about NetPath in network performance monitoring. So NetPath is a modernization of the trace route, which provides you hop by hop, node by node details in the network, and also the associated connection with each and every node. So NetPath is basically a feature that helps you to identify network problem faster by automatic creating a map of the problem area. The key features of NetPaths are basically we will start from the automatic mapping. So it does the automatic mapping from source to the destination. Whatsoever nodes are connected in between and the ISP and everything, it will provide you a visual on your screen. Also, it does the node by node discovery, so you'll get to know details about each and every node, and also if any node which is managed externally by some third party ISP provider or somebody, some other organization, so that also it discovers. Performance quantification is basically it gives you the performance on that particular node, how many packet drops are happening and what is the latency there. So that's how it is qualify for the performance quantification. External issue identification is basically it identifies the issue if it is there for some external third party. Let's suppose you from source to destination, your server to your some internal website or external website, you are using some ISP. So if issue is there with the ISP node only, so you will get to know the contact detail of the ISP which is available over the internet, that is pre-populated in the NetPath. And the last point is internal issue identification. If organization level manage nodes are creating the problem and they are not having connection or some more latency and packet losses are there. So that will also be discovered by NetPath, and we can do the data comparison, which I'll be explaining in the demo session. So this is our link of the demo of the SolarWinds, and how we can access NetPath. You just click on the My Dashboard, go to Network, and click on NetPath Services. There are some pre-configured NetPath services are available. So as of now, for the demo purpose, I'll give you the will walk you through about the pre-configured NetPath services. There we see, let me just take you once again. There you see there is some warning alert is there on the AWS lab from Austin. Okay. So when we click on the Austin, it gives us end-to-end detail starting from Austin, the server from where the NetPath has started the discovery of the entire path from node to the EC2 machine, EC2 lab. So there you see Time Warner Cable Internet. It is a ISP provider. There we see some alarm notification. So if we click on it, we will get to know how many nodes are there which are managed by Time Warner. So one, two, and some these two nodes are there. And if you see, if you click on this node, we will get to know the contact detail as well. Along with the issue, there are some issue is there on this node. A reason the warning alert has been displayed on that NetPath from Austin to AWS lab. And if I this is for your external problem identification. If you have internal problem identification, any node which is managed by your organization itself, so you just click on any node. You just go to commands, not this one basically. You just take another one. Okay, so to do the comparison of the internal issue within any node which is managed by organization, so I have chosen some other pre-configuration. There you see NetSuite issue. There is some issue in the NetSuite application from Bruno Office. If I click on it, we see the red signs are there. If I click on the full screen, click on it, you see the command, do the comparison. It will give you all the configuration comparison from the current one. That's how you can select all the previous configuration has been done. And then scroll down. If there is any configuration, different configuration has been done, that's how it will be highlighted here, and you will be able to identify where's the problem, or if it is the problem, the configuration changes. That's how it is. It is very good tool to identify internal configuration and internal device problems. If it is, if that has been occurred due to some internal configuration. So this is something that I have used, which is there by default. But I'll explain you how you can create your own NetPath services. Just create a new service. There you can give any detail like google.com and then port 443. Since it is a demo environment, I cannot enable any new service here. But you can just download the demo environment demo, which is valid for 30 days. Uh, Enter google.com port 443 and alias Google, whatever you want to give, and the probing interval, it is recommended by SolarWinds to have 10 minutes. Click on next and you will be able to create a new service which will be detecting the entire path from your node to the service which you want to monitor, the URL you want to monitor. If I click, so this one is not working for me. So basically, how does NetPath work? Basically, you deploy an agents on Windows computer. Basically, it is for the Windows computer only, and it will act as a synthetic user. However, SolarWinds automatically install a probe on each polling engine, and you can install a probe on any Windows computer. No other software is required. Once that is enabled, your service is enabled, it will go hop by hop and do the mapping according to your network. That's all about NetPath services. Thank you.